today we're gonna make a really easy crab bisque. Now it's getting a little chillier outside. Fall is definitely in the air. Depending on where you live, you just might like crab bisque year round. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it and make it the quick way, okay? We don't have all day. We're gonna make it real quick and real good. You're gonna add some butter to your soup pot and then go ahead and let that melt down. Then you're gonna add in some finely diced white onion, a little bit of garlic, and let that become aromatic. Once you can smell it, you know it's time to add in your vodka sauce. Combine that with a little seafood stock and bring it all together to a low simmer. You don't want this boiling out of control. Crab bisque is a very delicate soup, so you just want to make sure that everything is warming through nicely and evenly. Then you're going to add a splash of dry white wine. This is optional, and you can also use cooking wine if you desire. Mix everything together and then add in your snow crab legs. This is going to give your soup some added depth of flavor. This part too is also optional. If you don't like crab meat in the form of a crab leg, you do not have to use this step. Then you're going to add in your crab meat. I'm using claw crab meat. I'm going to add in about a cup of that. Mix it all together, and honestly, you don't need a ton of seasoning because the vodka sauce is already so flavorful with tons of spices and also Parmesan cheese. Once our soup is coming to a nice simmer, we're going to, again, just taste it for flavor. If we need to add anything else, we can do it at this point as well. Give it one last minute to simmer by covering it and leaving it alone. And then once it's nice and combined, just like this, you can see the steam, you can see small bubbles forming. We don't want it bubbling too hard. It's just barely simmering. That's when you know it's done. And honestly, guys, this came together so quick. This is about 15 minutes all in. Remember that everything is essentially cooked in this dish. You're just kind of like combining it and bringing it to temperature. You can serve it up in your cute soup bowls. I'm using these miniature stove containers, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some of that clawed crab meat on top. It's really cute for serving, and also if your guest of honor likes to crack into a crab every now and then, I think it adds a really nice touch to crab bisque. So this is the way I would like to serve it up. You can also top it with some freshly chopped parsley or chives or any fresh herbs that you would like to add to the dish. This is a great time to add it as well. And that's pretty much all there is to this recipe. I mean, it's so simple and a great way to have a restaurant quality meal, but without all the fuss. We just made the easiest and most delicious crab bisque. I know it was a little unconventional by using a little bit of vodka sauce and letting that be our base. And of course our crab meat, we just used a little bit of claw crab meat. You don't have to go crazy and buy jumbo lump for this dish. Comes together in no time. If you're looking for that restaurant quality crab bisque soup, this is definitely the recipe to try. Super easy, super low maintenance, and most importantly, absolutely delicious. I mean, look at it. She's gorgeous. All right, y'all. So until next time, click here to watch this video, click here to watch this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Wow. So good.